this channel. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to remove watermarks from an image. So without any further ado, let's just go straight to the tutorial. Now this is a paid class. Right, I said a paid class, rather premium images you can get on Shutterstock. They give you to download from there. You need to be a member. Okay, now if I click on this download icon, it's going to tell me to buy. It's going to bring options for me to buy and download. Before I can download, I have to buy membership. You see, buy and download, which I trying to avoid. So I'll click on this download option. So when I click on it, I'm going to download my image. So this is it, 150 MB. But when I open it, you're going to see their watermarks there. So I'm going to teach you how to remove these watermarks from this image and just get your image. Now there are other ways you can actually download from Shutterstock. So I'll just come here to, there's this website I use, watermark remover.io. Click on, I'll go, so I'll come to upload image. So I'll select this one, the image. Now the problem with watermark remover at times is that it reduces the quality of your image. So when I'm going to download it now, it's not going to be about 1.5 gig again, but you can see the watermark is removed. So yeah, it's about 845 MB. So but it's still clear though. So at times probably you're using it and it's reduced the quality of your image. You can bring it to photo tune. This application I use in enhancing my image for my designs. So you can just come here, bring in the image, click on this OK, and so while it's loading, in case you join me for the first time, I strongly recommend you subscribe to my channel. You're going to learn a lot from my channel. Alright, so you can see this is spend about 2 minutes. This is before, this is after. Okay, now I can now save my design. So I've saved it, I've saved the image. So more or less that's everything we have for this particular video. So that's everything I have for you in this particular video. I'm just trying to view this particular image. So this is photo enhancers. This is the image we have. You can see it is very clear. Photo enhancers helped us to be able to get a clearer version of the image. Alright, so this is how at times I get my paid images, free paid images for free, just with this few trick. Alright, so that's all for this video. We'll see in the next video. So if you want to use it, you don't just have to crop this, so that has to do with this blue line, this ash line. Just crop it out. So we'll see in the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscription button. Zazi Graphics signing out.